1, 2, 3, 4. Simplify these expressions. In each of these expressions, we find multiple operators. To simplify such expressions, one should have the knowledge of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule gives an idea to simplify expressions with multiple operators. Now the question is, what is BODMAS? BODMAS is an acronym that is used to remember the order of operations to be followed while simplifying the mathematical expressions having multiple operators. It stands for B for brackets, O for order of exponents or roots, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. The expressions having multiple operators must be simplified from left to right using BODMAS rule only. The terms within the brackets should be simplified first, and then the order of indices or exponents should be expressed in standard form. As the third stage of simplification, we should perform division, multiplication fourth, addition in the fifth stage, and finally subtraction. Or simply we can remember, in the first stage of simplification we should simplify the terms within the brackets. In the second stage, express the exponents in standard form. Third, perform division or multiplication, go from left to right. Fourth, perform addition or subtraction, go from left to right. While performing division or multiplication, we can go from left to right and simplify whichever comes first. While performing addition and subtraction, we can go from left to right with whichever comes first.
Now I take few examples to show the application of BODMAS rule. Expression number 1, 600 plus 80 divided by 2 minus 10 into 8. In this expression, we don't have brackets or exponents. So we will perform division first. I divide 80 by 2 in the first stage of simplification of the given expression. 600 plus 80 divided by 2 is 40 minus 10 into 8. In the next step, I will perform multiplication. That is, I multiply 10 and 8, which is equal to 600 plus 40 minus 10 into 8 is 80. In the next stage, we will perform addition. We add 600 and 40, which gives 640. Minus 80 is written as it is. Finally, we perform subtraction. On subtracting 80 from 640, we get 560 as the simplified form of the given expression. Example number 2, 3 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 2 minus 0.875 plus 2 cube into 15 minus 6. Here we will simplify the terms within the brackets first. That is, 15 minus 6 should be simplified first. So I write other terms as it is, 3 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 2 minus 0.875 plus 2 cube into 15 minus 6 is 9. In the next step, I will simplify the exponent equal to, so here I write this mixed fraction in terms of decimal number, that is 3.67 approximately, plus 1.5, 1.5, minus 0.875 is written as it is, plus 2 cube is 8 into 9. In the next stage of simplification, we will perform multiplication since we do not have any division operator here. So we multiply 8 and 9. So I write 3.67 plus 1.5 minus 0.875 plus 72. 8 into 9 is 72. In the next step, we will add the terms having plus a sign behind. So we add the first, second and the last term together. I write down these numbers one below the other for addition. 3.67, 1.50 plus 72.00. Let's add these. 7 plus 0 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 is carried forward, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is brought down. We get 77.17. Now let us subtract 0.875 from 77.17. I write 0.875. I put a 0 here. Now let us subtract. Subtracting 5 from 10, I get 5. Here I have 6. 16 minus 7 is 9. And 10 minus 8 is 2. Here I have 6. So I get 76.295 as the difference. Therefore, on simplifying the given expression, I get 76.295. Let's move on to the next example. Example number 3. Here we have 3 by 2 into 7 by 9 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 9. Here we have small brackets, square brackets and flower brackets. First let us simplify the terms within the small brackets or innermost brackets. So I write 3 by 2 as it is into open flower bracket 7 by 9 minus 2 by 3 plus open square bracket 1 by 3 plus LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Numerator will become 6 minus 4 is 2. So I get 2 by 9 on simplifying the fractions within the small brackets. I close the flower bracket here. Now I write 3 by 2 into open flower bracket 7 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Now we simplify the terms within the square brackets. LCM of 3 and 9 is again 9. So in the numerator I get 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I get 5 by 9 within the square brackets. Square brackets are removed since there is only one term within the square brackets. In the next step I write 3 by 2 into the LCM of 9, 3, 9 is 9 again. So I write 9 in the denominator. In the numerator, first term will be 7 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 5. I will put these within flower brackets. In the next step, I will simplify the terms within the flower brackets. Now I write 3 by 2 into 9 in the denominator. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So I get 6 by 9 on simplifying the terms within the flower brackets. Now I divide 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 by 3 is 1. So 1 is the simplified form of the given expression. Example number 4. Here we have 3 by 5 of 25 minus 4 by 5 into 20 minus 6 divided by 3 by 5. Here we need to simplify the terms within the brackets. Looking at the first pair of brackets, here we have of. Of is nothing but multiplication. So of may be replaced by into sign. That is, I write 3 by 5 into 25. I put these terms within brackets. I put minus sign, open square brackets. Looking at the terms within this small brackets, we have 4 by 5 into 20. Here 20 is the numerator and which can be divided by 5. On doing so, what I get? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. On multiplying 4 by 4, so 4 into 4 is 16. I put minus sign here, and looking at the terms within the small brackets here, we have 6 divided by 3 by 5. This division sign may be replaced by multiplication sign by taking reciprocal of the second fraction here. So I write 6 into 5 by 3. Close square brackets. In the next step, let us divide 25 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 3 into 5 is 15 minus, open square bracket, we have 16 here, minus, here dividing 6 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 into 5 is 10. Here I write 15 minus 16 minus 10 is 6. So subtracting 6 from 15, I get 9. Therefore, 9 is the simplified form of the given expression. Here you have a bonus example. Example number 5. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3 into 1 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So let us simplify this expression. First let us remove the brackets. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. So the numerator here becomes 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So on simplifying the terms within the brackets, we get 10 by 9. And we know of is nothing but multiplication. So I put into sign here and write 3 by 5 divided by, converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So I get 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So brackets are removed here. In the next stage of simplification, we should perform division. We have division operation here. So I write the first term as it is, 10 by 9 into 3 by 5. This division sign may be replaced by multiplication sign by taking reciprocal of the fraction next to division sign. So now this becomes 3 by 5 into 5 by 4 as it is, minus 1 by 3. Next we should perform multiplication. So looking here, so we can divide this 9 by 3 here. So 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So this 3 and this 3 may be cancelled. And here this 5 and 5 may be cancelled. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So here we get 3 minus 2 in numerator. Therefore 3 minus 2 is 1. We get 1 by 6 as the simplified form of the given expression. This is how BODMAS rule can be applied for simplification of expressions having multiple operators. So that was the story of BODMAS rule. I hope you enjoyed this video. For further practice, please find a practice paper in the video description below. Get your scores immediately after the submission of answers. Thank you for watching.